welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to try out this thing that I saw on YouTube. Funny place to see it, right? It's a way to clean my beauty blenders. Okay, so these are my beauty blenders that I used today. Okay, you see they're dirty and they're stained from the foundation. I saw this girl take a regular bar of soap. This is a little dial bar of soap that I started to open and decided not to until just now. And I'm going to see if I can get my sponges like really clean, because her sponges look like they're brand new, totally clean. So I'm going to see if this hack really works. And so if you're interested in seeing that, stick around. Okay, so here's the dial soap. Here is my sink. It's kind of warm water. And here are all of my dirty beauty blenders. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to really wet them. And I'm going to see if this actually works. I'm going to try on this blue one first. As you can see, I just did a video and swatched some with the lipsticks, and yeah, they haven't come off yet. So she says she does this, and she just rubs it underneath the water and scrubs it so that it actually gets into it. She says that's what gets it clean. Now, I have used makeup, I've used beauty blender cleaner, I mean all kinds of stuff. So if this works, this is going to be fantastic. Because no matter how much I clean them, they always still stay stained. And it drives me crazy. She says that by rubbing it, it works the soap into the actual beauty blender, and then it gets everything out. Just make sure you always wring out the soap really well. Oh, look at that. That looks freaking clean. Holy cow. That's awesome. Okay. Here's my little pink and purple one, obviously saturated with foundation and everything else. Let's see, underneath here, you can kind of see the foundation get on the bar of soap. I can definitely see all the foundation coming out. Remember, you always want to clean your beauty blenders and your brushes and everything else. This seems to really be legit. Oh my gosh, that's awesome. As I said, make sure you get all the soap out of your beauty blenders. You do not want anything like that to stay into your beauty blenders. And then put that on your face. That could be really bad for your skin. Holy cow. Color me impressed. This is amazing. So those are the two I cleaned so far, and they look freaking awesome. This is amazing. Here's one of my black ones. I mean, these are two, and they're obviously coated with foundation and concealer and everything else. Let's see. You can see it on the actual bar of soap. It's got so much foundation in it. And I clean these jokers, like, all the time. That's crazy. Who would have thought something so easy would really clean my beauty blenders and get the stains off of them? I thought that was literally just from the foundation. I even tried using the real beauty blender soap cleanser, makeup remover, anything. Who would have thought? I just needed a little bar of dial soap. It's still getting stuff out. That's crazy. This is amazing. Like, do you see that? Do you see all that stuff coming out? And you just squeeze until it's clean. Until it doesn't, no more soap runs out. That is crazy. Oh my gosh. Get all of this soap out. Do you guys see that freaking difference right there? Holy cow. It's the same beauty blender, except this one's freaking awesomely clean. That's amazing. Holy cow. Okay, so I have to say that that beauty hack was definitely worth it. I mean, what, 99 cents for a bar of soap, maybe? And your beauty blenders look brand new. I am completely floored and happy. And always remember to leave your beauty blenders out so they can dry. If you have a little drying aid holder or a little drying rack would be the best because it keeps them up off of anything and lets the water just kind of evaporate throughout the entire thing. As always, thank you for joining me. If you like this video and want to see more videos like it, go ahead and comment below. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and if you want to be notified every time I make a video, please hit the little notification bell and it will let you know. Thank you so much for joining me, and have a happy new year and a wonderful day.